what do the numbers mean on your Makita cordless drill. So we have number 1 and number 2. Now, number 1 gives you the full torque of your Makita cordless drill. However, the chuck will spin slower. So your bit in the end will spin slower. But you do get the full torque of the drill. So this is ideal if you're drilling into anything solid, like large pieces of hardwood or concrete or things like that. However, if you're doing pilot holes and screws, hit it into speed 2 where you get less torque. However, the chuck spins much quicker. This is ideal because you're drilling pilot holes and you want to be quick, and it'll quickly drill the pilot holes for you, but without all the excess force of the Makita cordless drill. So that's how easy it is. Want a lot of torque, hit it into speed 1. Less torque but quicker, speed 2. So hopefully that helps you out what the actual numbers mean on your Makita cordless drill. If it does, and that helps you out, help me out by smashing the like, the subscribe, and thanks for watching.